story short, this your boy 9 Trey, man. If you didn't know, and just for all y'all Swangas niggas, you ain't gotta go get your wheels all welded up unless you done did this part here already. But a lot of times your wheels, well, my wheels right now been clacking. So all you gotta basically do is, you know what I'm saying, loosen that bad boy up. You ain't gotta take your wheel off to tighten up your spokes. You know what I'm saying? To bag them boogers up, tighten them down. Now I done already tightened all these down, but let me see. Oh, girl.
Hands on.
You okay, baby? You okay, baby? All right. So like I was saying,
You was about to show them how to one of them loose.
yeah, so ain't none of them loose right now because I done already tightened these up. But basically, when it is loose, I'm gonna let y'all boys see what. You see that wheel will clack like that, and I've been having that problem. That's why I'm goddamn tightening these up, because I've been hearing it. It'll sound like your brakes, rolling. Rubbing or something. But you see how I got that play? It's not a lot of play, but that little small amount of play is just enough to make it screech. So I tightened up all these top ones. I know that the bottom one's loose too, but since the car's sitting, the weight sitting on it, you can't feel that play. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna roll the car back and I'm gonna tighten up them bottom ones. All these top ones tight though. And you don't wanna strip these threads because just over time, man, you're gonna be back doing the same thing. So let me roll this baby back a little bit. Hey man, fucking forces go, bro. You tuck it in right here or something. These bitches looking kind of tight. You know, you can do it your own way, man. Everything is everything. You fucking with your panker rank. I mean, look here, pimping ain't slipping, but goddamn, I'm just trying to keep it like that.
Okay, Zoe.
I'm trying to, not for real, bro. I keep. Now that one a little loose. See how I got that little
in the middle of a video. My bad. 10-4. Damn.
All right. 9-3. There we go. This one's a little loose. So we're gonna see how much of a return we can get on it. Y'all see what it said now. Oh yeah. So it snapped. That's on there. That ain't got no more play. We just gonna go on and tighten it. That one's already really good. That one good. I'm good to go on this wheel now. So when you put your piece back on, how you tighten it up, you ain't gotta, like I say, you ain't gotta take that wheel off. Don't over torque it neither, cause these things die cast, so you'll crack them. You know what I'm saying? Once you're done, you know what to do. Wipe all this stuff up, get your wheel back glass. You know what I'm saying? All them hand prints. You know what I mean? We're gonna start on this front so I can show y'all how fresh. Cause like I say, I ain't done nothing. T-Bot done took that good soap and water mixture I had. Now this front already might be good. Oh nah, here got a little loose. It ain't as loose as that back wheel was though. Really this front tight. This the only one I feel got a little play. Just this one. Or these two. I'm tight. Alright. What you do? Unscrew it a little bit. Get it in here.
Really don't. Whoever's it,
Loosen that booger up. Oh, that coming down this way. Sometimes this will work. You just want to get it out the way a little bit. Yeah, see, that got clean. Now, it is another way to tighten them up from down the underways too. So, if your shit's still clacking after you do this, it might be time for you to get you some more wheels, my boy. You feel me? But that one got tight. Oh yeah, see? That ain't none of that little play shit it just was doing on me. Just in case it's still gonna go with them ball. That one's already really tight. Top one, did I do this top already? I don't know. Go over it. Yeah, it's tight. So yeah, we shouldn't hear no more squeaking. And them niggas trying to charge y'all a whole lot of money, man, to do that. Man, get y'all some tools, man, and put y'all hands on y'all shit. And knock that shit out, brody. Stay hands on. Tightening this back up. And wipe it on. Let me see your little spray, baby. I got it, man. What? Wipe it back down, get it back glass. The glue gonna stay true on that wheel. You know what I mean? And that's it, man. You ain't gotta take that wheel off, like I said, to tighten up the spokes. Now, I knew it was that back wheel making that noise on me the whole time, but it's all good. I'm finna goddamn bang the corner and see what I hear. I ain't lie, gang, I can't hear nothing, bro. So they're doing it, but I hear a little something on the other side, so I'm gonna just tighten up the other side when we get back. I'm gonna see what's up. Yeah, that's why I was saying tighten up your wheels before you go get them welded, because once you weld your wheels, you see how that rust on that look. You don't really want that, you know what I'm saying? So you either gotta go re-dip in chrome, or, you know what I'm saying? So you just tighten them boogers up. But you know, after so many times, I have to tighten them up over the years. So you just have to get you a new set of wheels. But it is what it is with this set. Y'all already know what's going down, man. Appreciate y'all boy for watching this video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys tighten them boogers up, man. Keep y'all shit from clacking. Yo.